How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can delete your OSU account. So if you navigate through their official webpage and click on setting, basically there isn't a way for us to simply choose or to delete our account. Now to do this, what you want to do is to simply head over to the OSU email support. And to basically summarize, you can only delete an account after simply messaging or emailing the official support right here. So in here, you could just email the support at ppy.sh on your email account. And from there, you want to make sure that you have left your username, and right after, you should be good to go. Wait for a email confirmation, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.